Our 2026 Maruti Suzuki Eeco review is up today. With its characteristic combination of affordability, practicality, and performance, this van continues to serve the needs of families, small companies, and transport services all over India. Improving the driving experience without changing the car's fundamental character, the 2026 model year provides little but significant modifications. The 1.2-liter Advanced K-Series Dual Jet VVT gasoline engine, which has been around for a while and has been fine-tuned to meet the newest BS6 Phase 2 pollution standards, is still there under the hood. It produces roughly 80 PS of power and 104.4 Nm of torque, coupled with a manual gearbox that has 5 speeds. For customers who are particularly concerned about their fuel budget, the engine is also offered with a CNG option that is factory fitted. This variant boasts an impressive fuel efficiency of over 26 kilometers per kilogram. Modern updates to the Eeco's exterior include a redesigned front grille, slimmer headlights, and body-cooled bumpers, yet the vehicle's signature boxy shape that makes the most of inside space remains. A digital instrument cluster, adjustable front seats, and dual-tone interiors make a big difference inside the cabin. When it comes to safety, Maruti has spared no expense. All Eeco models come standard with dual airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS, with electronic brake distribution, EBD, reverse parking sensors, and an engine immobilizer. Its continued unrivaled versatility is due in large part to its accommodating 5-, 7-, or cargo layout seating options. Whether you're looking for a sturdy business vehicle or a budget-friendly family car, the Eeco is a great pick. Sliding doors, a roomy trunk, and strong air conditioning make it perfect for the roads and climate of India. The low maintenance costs and wide service network of Maruti Suzuki vehicles are further selling points. The 2026 Eeco is one of the most affordable and trustworthy vans in its class, with prices ranging from 15.5 to 16.8 lakhs ex-showroom. Although it lacks in flash and features compared to competing vehicles, the simplicity, dependability, and adaptability of its design make it an excellent choice for Indian buyers.